Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today will be January smoke and carbon monoxide alarm test. Now we do have some special guests over today, but I'm not going to show them because they do not want to be in the video. I believe they were nice enough to do it for us to do it while they're here. So we have a smoke alarm. This is a FireX I-46 118 AC. Good thing I still remember that. And this is a First Alert CO606 carbon monoxide alarm. We will be using a walkie-talkie for this. And something new for this month, we do have some smoke spray. Now let's get the walkie on here. I'll plug this in and I'll put this one back later and we'll get started on our test. Now the voting has been wind for the office, so there is no tie, so we're not going to be doing any penny tricks this month. Just to make that clear. So let's get started. So guys, now let's get started on our test here. We're going to be starting with hallway downstairs. Okay, that one works obviously.
Where's that? Okay. Is your mom's arms fall?
It's a good thing. Good exercise. It's still red.
Yeah, I know. We have to reset it manually.
Uh-huh. You doing that now?
I'm going to do that after I can't smell any smoke. Okay, we'll reset it. Okay, now we'll move to the one. Oh, you didn't need to take this cap off. Keep the cap on.
You're using it on each one?
Yeah.
I thought we were only using it on certain rooms.
We'll use it on each one.
You might not have enough for that, kiddo.
As long as we don't use this much. And my mom says it's expensive as well, so. Anyway, enjoy the walkie time.
Are you going to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll only do it on the hallway ones.
Okay.
This will be smoke alarm in the basement. Respond, please.
Okay.
Sorry guys, I didn't realize I was recording and I did half of them already. But I'm nice enough to do them all again for you. So we'll do this again.
Okay, cool.
This will be smoky in the hallway upstairs.
Got it.
Got it.
Has he done it?
This will be smoke alarm in David's bedroom.
Okay.
This will be smoke alarm in the spare room.
Okay.
Mom, can you bring up the ladder for the one in your bedroom, please? This will be smoke alarm in the office. Be prepared to start our walk around. Okay, that one's good. Okay, now this is recording. Okay, Dad, you can go.
Every time he's stuck his stuff in something.
Are you okay? There we go.
Okay, Dad, you can go.
Okay.
That one's good.
Oh, you can hear that.
Okay, that one's good. That one's good. Okay, that one's good. Obviously, that one's good. Okay, Dad, you can stop now. Okay, guys, now we just need to do the CO detectors and that'll be the end. Can you give the walkie back to Mommy whenever you're ready? Anyway, this will be CO detector in the hallway downstairs. Okay, that one's obviously working fine. So, let's go to the one upstairs. I know you can hear me. This is gonna be smoke alarm in the hallway upstairs. Okay, that one's good. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed our annual January smoke alarm and carbon monoxide alarm test. I hope you enjoyed. I hope everyone is having a good New Year, and I hope the smoke alarm that you voted for in the walk around was the one that won. If not, you have better luck next month. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, folks. Thank you for watching. Okay, I'm going to stop recording on here. Bye. Results of this test were very successful, and